Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're having trouble accessing Facebook Marketplace or seeing the message saying it's unavailable to you, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix it. First, try tapping on the Facebook Marketplace tab, as you normally would. If it's working, you should see the Marketplace and be able to browse listings. But if it's not showing up, there's another way you can access it. Check your menu or More tab by going to your Facebook shortcuts. From there, look for the Marketplace section. It might appear either at the top or the bottom of the list, depending on how your account is set up. If you see it, tap on it to access Facebook Marketplace. If you still can't find it, there's a chance your account might have a temporary restriction or ban on Marketplace access. In this case, your best option is to contact Facebook support. To do this, head to the Help and Support section in your menu. From there, you'll see the option to report a problem. You can shake your phone to trigger this option, or just tap on it manually. Then continue with the report and choose Marketplace as the feature you're having trouble with. If you need to, you can include a screenshot to help explain the issue, but make sure to write a detailed message explaining exactly what's happening with your Marketplace access. Be clear about the problem and let Facebook know what you would like them to do to fix it. Once you've filled everything out, just tap Send and wait a few business days for Facebook to respond. And that's it for today's video. I hope this helps you get back to using Facebook Marketplace. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.